How to delete phone number on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete phone number on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen. You will then see the settings button on the top right of your screen. Tap on that and now under My Account, you will see the Mobile Number tab. Tap on that and in order to delete the mobile number in Snapchat, you will have to erase the existing mobile number and add a new one as Snapchat does not allow their users to completely delete their mobile number from the application. So go ahead and erase the existing number and further enter a new mobile number and tap on the verify button. You will then receive a verification code in the number you just entered. So go ahead and enter the code you received and verify your number further. And with this, your old number will be deleted and your new number will be added. So this is how you can delete phone number on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.